Today we're going to show the procedure for replacing a Hydro drive belt on a Gravely ProTurn Z or ProTurn ZX mower. Now even if you don't have that particular model, follow along anyways because the Hydro drive belt replacement procedure on this mower is very similar across the entire Gravely commercial lineup. And since this is a surface procedure, we're going to make sure the unit is parked on a flat level surface, that the key is in the off position and removed from the ignition, and that the parking brake is engaged. Additionally, we're going to reread the safety instructions in the operator's manual, and we're going to follow along with the procedural instructions in the operator's manual for your unit. Let's get started.
Remove the left belt cover from the mower deck. While wearing safety goggles, remove the PTO idler spring hook from the anchor bolt with a spring puller or similar tool. Then, disengage the PTO belt from around the left spindle pulley. Remove the PTO belt from around the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit. Release the mower deck transport lock and place the mower deck at its lowest cutting height. While wearing safety goggles, remove the hydrostatic drive idler spring hook from the anchor bolt with a spring puller or similar tool. Remove the hardware retaining the clutch stop bracket to the frame and remove the clutch stop bracket. At the rear of the unit, turn the clutch so the clutch wire harness port is accessible. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently release the wire harness clasp from the port and disconnect the wire harness from the port. Disengage the transaxle drive belt from the engine sheave. Then, disengage the transaxle drive belt from around either the left or the right transaxle pulley and push the loose belt length toward the interior of the unit. Disengage the belt from the remaining transaxle pulley, push the loose belt length toward the interior of the unit, and remove the belt. From either the left or the right side of the unit, feed the transaxle drive belt into the unit interior from above the transaxle and wrap the belt around the transaxle pulley on that side. Wrap the belt around the remaining transaxle drive pulley. Bring the belt over the clutch, install around the engine drive pulley, and align with the transaxle drive idler. Double check that the belt is aligned with both transaxle pulleys, the transaxle drive idler, and the engine sheave. While wearing safety goggles, use a spring puller or similar tool to reinstall the hydrostatic drive idler spring around the anchor bolt under the frame. Rotate the clutch so the wire harness port is positioned toward the front of the unit and reconnect the wire harness to the port. Ensure the wire harness is securely connected to the clutch. Align the clutch stop bracket with the slot in the clutch and secure the clutch stop bracket to the frame with the original tapping screws. Reinstall the PTO belt around the clutch pulley. Align the PTO belt with the left spindle pulley. While wearing safety goggles, use a spring puller or similar tool to reinstall the PTO idler spring hook around the anchor bolt. Ensure the belt has tension and is correctly aligned with all pulleys. Reinstall the belt cover over the left spindle pulley and secure with the original hardware.
For hydrostatic drive belts and other Gravely replacement parts, visit your local Gravely dealer. If you like this video and want to see more content from Gravely, click on the Gravely icon in the lower right-hand corner of the video to subscribe to the Gravely YouTube channel.